If your WordPress site won't let you access the dashboard, don't panic. This is a common issue and there are several proven fixes to resolve this. In this video, I'll show you how to fix problem in WordPress, not go to dashboard. So to get started, try a different browser or clear cache. Sometimes browser cache or extensions interfere with WordPress. So try logging in using incognito mode. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot icon at the top right of your screen and then click on View Incognito window. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Another thing you can do is to disable plugins via File Manager. So if you're using cPanel, you can go ahead and disable it by accessing cPanel. So navigate to the WP content /plugins tab and then rename the folder into plugins disabled to deactivate all plugins. A faulty plugin can break your dashboard. Third thing would be through switching to default theme. Themes can also cause dashboard issues. Go to WP content themes and then rename your active theme folder. WordPress will fall back to a default theme like 2024. Fix infinite loading or login redirects. If your site keeps loading endlessly or redirects back to login, delete .ht access file and regenerate it. Check site URL and home values in the database via phpMyAdmin. Make sure your hosting server isn't down and update PHP version to match WordPress requirements. Enable WP_debug in wp-config.php to reveal hidden errors. And that is how you can basically fix problem in WordPress, not go to dashboard.